Except at very great velocities and at very great distances, Isaac Newton's laws of motion are as valid today as when they were formulated more than 300 years ago. We'll be looking at some important applications of these laws in the technology of today. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, and that momentum, which is mass times velocity, is always conserved. We'll start with an air track on which friction is minimal, and two gliders which have magnets facing outward so that they repel each other. The counters time the passing of a known length of tape in 20ths of a second, thus measuring their speed. We are first going to measure what is called elastic collision, using two counters to compare the speeds of the two gliders. Again, the moving glider stops dead, while the other moves off at exactly the same speed as the one that pushed it. What we are observing is the conservation of momentum. First glider transfers all of its momentum to the second at the same speed, so none is lost. Now the same gliders, only this time, instead of a magnet, each has a lump of glue at one end. When these collide, they'll stick together, and we'll get what is called an inelastic collision.